In this question, they ask us in which limits below can we use, this is pronounced L'Hôpital's rule. It's French. You can say Le Hospital, I guess, but it's L'Hôpital's rule. So basically, here's L'Hôpital's rule. L'Hôpital's rule can only be used, well, here, let's move it over here. L'Hôpital's rule can only when you have 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. Those are the only times you can use L'Hopital's rule. 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So let's take a look. If I take the x as infinity and I put infinity there and there for x, plug it in everywhere, what do I get? Well, yeah, I certainly get infinity over infinity. So you can use L'Hopital's rule on that one. Now, in some other videos, I'll show you what L'Hopital's rule actually does. But for right now, we're just trying to get clear, when can we use L'Hopital's rule? Because that kind of is an issue. People sometimes use it at the wrong time. So I wanted to start by being clear. There's this new rule. That's what this section is all about, called L'Hopital's rule. French guy. And you can only use it when you have 0, 0, infinity, infinity. So you just plug in the infinity. Yeah, this one's going to be infinity plus infinity on the top, infinity plus infinity. Yeah, so you could use L'Hopital's rule on that one. How about the next one? Okay, so if I plug in pi over 5 for x here, pi right, so x go to pi over 5, and pi over 5 here, what do I get? So that'd be the sine of 5 times pi over 5 over I can't really read it now, is it? 5 times pi over 5 minus pi. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. So these cancel, so it's sine of pi. These would cancel. Pi minus pi. Sine of pi, you can check it on your calculator. Maybe you remember it's 0 and the bottom 0. So yes, we can use L'Hopital's rule. In that case, you're right, because either 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. First one was infinity over infinity. This one's, oops, this one's 0 over 0. So yeah, they're both a go. Try the next one. Plug in a 0, plug in a 0. So we get, I'll bring this one kind of, so 5 times 0 over cotangent of 0. We're plugging in 0, top and bottom. Okay. Top of 0. What's a cotan? Now, cotan of 0, that's a 1 over the tangent, or you can just type into Desmos cotan of 0. How about that? Cotan of 0. Whoops, I didn't do that so well. Do a little better 0 there. Cotan of 0. Okay. And so what's that going to be? Let me think. I'm trying to think. What is the cotan? Cosine of 0. There's 1 times 0. So it's 1 over 0. Oh, it's going to be infinity, or it's going to say undefined cotangent of 0. Let me go to Desmos and just show that. So if I go here and I go cotan, oh, I'm gonna go 1 over the tangent, I guess. I'll just do that. So I'll go 1 over the tangent of 0, because tan and cotan, they're upside down from 0. There we go. Undefined. Yep. So cotan of 0 is undefined. Yep. So then this is no. This is not the right form. It's supposed to be 0 over 0, infinity over infinity, not 0 over infinity. This is a no on this one. Okay. And now last one. Plug it in 0 here, here, and here. Oops, it's a 0 down there. What are we going to get? I'm going to get 0 plus tangent 0 over sine 0, which is 0 plus 0 over 0. You check them on Desmos or something. That's 0 over 0. So that's a yes. That one also. So those three, that's why they list those three as ones, in all three of those, we can use L'Hopital. Now, I haven't told you what L'Hopital's does yet. That's coming in other problems. But for now, we're just trying to be really clear. There's this new rule called L'Hopital's rule, French pronunciation, and we're trying to say, when can you use this whole section's about this great rule. When can you use it? Only when you have zero over zero over infinity. Remember that, really important. So B, it will be, you cannot use it on that example. All the rest, you can. So what it does, we'll see that pretty soon.